Accidents, illnesses, and injuries can cause project delays and affect productivity. With adequate construction worker training, the likelihood of these incidents can be lowered, which, in turn, reduces employee absenteeism and improves productivity levels. This short lecture enlists frequently violated OSHA standards in construction industry and trainings that can prevent and reduce work-related accidents. TE&MC teams have designed comprehensive training courses on OSHA guidelines that can be viewed on our YouTube channel. The type of construction training that employees should receive depends on their job duties, the type of equipment they use, workplace conditions, types of hazards encountered during work. Health and safety training in construction significantly reduces accidents. This prevents fatalities as well as boosts productivity. As a result, possibilities of expenses on lawsuits and liabilities, cuts unnecessary costs, and ensures companies' success. Education includes basic construction safety training and other specialized training programs. This slide shows list of violations by construction contractors, which result in frequent accidents at work sites. It is evident from the list that non-compliance of using PPEs and casual attitude towards safety protocols by workers and their employers are the main culprits. This is further cemented from findings by the U.S. Bureau of Labor and Statistics, which recorded 46.2% of all fatal falls, slips, and trips happening in the construction industry in year 2021. Proper implementation of OSHA protocols avoid accidents, boosts productivity, prevents financial losses, and ensure companies' success besides maintaining a good reputation. Contact us on email to book slots for safety training courses on offer by TE&MC. Important web links are flashed on the screen. Stay tuned for future courses on offer from Technology Education and Mentoring Center.